Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Starfield Outpost disappeared or not showing up. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Starfield's outposts disappearing or not showing up in your game? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so this issue is a feature that allows players to set up permanent bases on the planet. However, there may have been reports from players that the outpost is not showing up or has just totally vanished. So there are a few things there are a few reasons why this happened, which is outdated game files, crew member assignment. If you can find the outposts, the ship's menu outposts, it's essential to ensure you're assigned a crew member to take care of it. And how to fix this: assign a crew member. If you can't see the outpost in the ship's menu outposts tab, you need to assign a crew member so that it would show up. Another fix would be restart your game. It's very self-explanatory. Third option is to check for Starfield updates. The Starfield Outpost not showing problem often happens because of outdated game files, so make sure that your game is updated. And step 4, verify the game file on Steam. If any issues are caused by corrupted or missing files, you need to verify your game on Steam. It's very easy. Most Steam players know how to do this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.